club doing my two-step. I put about 8 frauds already, I'm just getting my feet wet. But I ain't even knocking your step.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from SHEIN. This is one of their 13x4 bone straight wigs. This is what it looks like right out of the box. It has your typical cap construction, but it has 4 combs instead of 3, and it is a true 13x4 lace frontal. I wanted to cut off the ear tabs first just to make sure that the wig fits me well before I start customizing. And I did do all my customization off camera, but I followed the same steps from the last SHEIN wig install video. So if you want to see how I customize that wig, I will put it in the description box below. So this is how it looks after I've bleached the knots and plucked it a little bit. I also washed it and it's very full. I didn't get much tangling or shedding at all. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put some powdered foundation on the lace, and then I'm gonna put the wig on and begin installing it. So for this install, I tried to do it in sections instead of how I usually do it. This was like my first time trying to install my wig like this. I don't know why I did it this way. I prefer the other way. I don't really like to do it in sections. I know for some people it's a little bit easier, but when I went in with my Ghost Bond and I put that on like in sections and I just like spread it out, I didn't like how it turned out this way. So I would recommend, of course, do it however you're comfortable with doing it. I just wanted to try like a new technique. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me go through the whole process of installing my wig, and then I'll pop back in a few. So I basically did like the full install, but I wasn't feeling well. And then I ended up being sick for like a whole week. So I didn't finish installing my wig until like a week later. So now we're gonna switch over to when I had time to actually, well, not when I had time, but when I was feeling better. And I actually went ahead and finished this video. I changed my mind about the style that I wanted to do, and so I wanted to do this style. I put it up on the screen. So all I've done so far is just reinstall the wig. I just cleaned off the lace and then I installed it again using Ghost Bond, and I switched my part over to the side, and then I went through and I straightened it before I started cutting layers. And this is actually like a pretty simple hairstyle. I'm still learning how to cut layers myself, so I wanted to make sure I leave all the clips in of me actually cutting my hair so that you could see exactly what I did to achieve this style. So as I went through and I cut layers, I just kept bumping the ends. I didn't want to bump them too much, just like a slight bump, but I wanted the layers to be very like noticeable. So you'll see me like cut the hair and then bump the ends with my flat iron, and I just kept doing that until I got the desired look. So I'm gonna leave that in there and then I will come back at the end. So for the last step, I went ahead and put my LA Girl Pro Conceal down my part. This is in the shade Toffee, and it just helped make my part pop a little bit more, that's all. So I used a brush to apply that, and now I am done with my hair. I really like how my hair turned out. It was like a very cute but like subtle 90s type of layered cut. I don't know, it just gave me very much like this is my hair, like this is like a little like a perm silk press, you know, that's what it was giving me. I don't know, I was excited about it. I really like how it turned out. I felt cute that day. You will see me do the same style in my maintenance vlog, which should be up after this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all about the wig. So the wig is from SHEIN. I really liked it. I did not experience much tangling at all. It was very thick. This one I believe was 180% density. I will, like I said, leave all the information in the description box below. I did experience some shedding. It wasn't excessive, but it wasn't minimal either. So I would be on the lookout for that. I did experience shedding. I don't know if it was because of like everything I had going on with like the cutting and stuff like that, but just, you know, it shed. It shed a little bit. But I mean, other than that, I really like this wig. I really like the hair. It was very soft, true to length, and it was very full. And I really like how the style came out. I will be reviewing more wigs from SHEIN, so be on the lookout for that. I think I want to do like a curly wig next. Let me know what you guys think in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.